YouTube, what's good? Right now I'm about to record a video. I'm about to do something on my Cateye. And I was making a TikTok and I'm still making a TikTok, but I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Look at that, he's over there. That boy moving. So right now, look, let me show you guys. So right now my Cateye, my little switch to like turn on the lights and all that is not working. And on my GMC, obviously it works, but on my Cateye it doesn't. And I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Hold on. Look, basically this. You see? I'll do that, turns on, go back, off, this, blah, blah. And on my Cateye, it just like easily moves. So now I'm gonna show you on the Cateye because I don't know what's going on. It's looking pretty filthy, man. Look at that. Look at that. I literally just washed it last week and we had crazy pollen not too long ago. So yeah, don't mind how it's a mix match, the colors. This is a little work truck for right now. Got a little bit of mess. So right now I already took off this stain, but I'm gonna put it back on and pretend like I'm about to do it again just for y'all. So hold on, let me put it back on, then take it off. All right, put it back on just to show y'all. And then, oh snap. Alright, everything looks smooth. Pop it back in place. So yeah, oh shoot, let me go ahead and do that real quick. Every time I want to make a video, this man is always here. Always. Making noise. Making noise. Look. What? Making noise. Let me go and show you what we got in the box. This is the box. I received it Saturday, but honestly I didn't feel like going to my dad's house because I was at my mom's house. So yesterday I couldn't because I got here at my dad's house pretty late. So let me show you. It's just this. A lot of people in my comments were saying this is the issue. Cause look, you can hear it click. And then right now it just like that. So I'm pretty sure that you gotta take it off, plug this back in, and yeah, that should be it. Right now Thakis keep calling my name because he don't know how to do anything. So let me go help him. Oh.
You should put gas in it.
You don't know how to put gas in it?
It doesn't come out.
No, you don't know how to do it.
Come out.
That cause you don't know. Look, let me show you. We got this beauty right here. I know y'all haven't seen it yet, but my dad also has this one. It is a 04. Ooh, I forgot I locked it. Wait, I think I got the keys. No, I gave them to my dad, but I'll make a video on that another day. But yeah, the color's pretty amazing, I'm not gonna lie. Let me get back to that real quick. All right, since Mr. I make a lot of noise left, now I'm gonna actually take it out and do everything. So yeah, hold on, let me set the camera down so I can show you guys. All right guys, in this video I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to take the little dash thing off. No, I'm just kidding, I'm pretty sure everybody knows. So you just put it in a little bit, put it all the way to 1 or 2, it don't matter. Pop it out. Oops. 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 Hold up. I did it right the first time a little bit. Yup. Yup. Yup, 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 yup. Alright. Take that out. And now it should look like this. Now it should look like this. So now what I'm gonna do is take that off. And this is the main thing we're focusing on. Where's the thing? All right, right here. 1 second. This is what we gotta do. Look, this one, look, this is like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Look, this one. You see how fast it is? That means no good, no good. So now, hold on, let me do that real quick. I'm gonna go look for a rag so I can clean out so there's no dust, no anything. Because if I'm gonna take it out and then put everything back in, I prefer it to be a little bit clean, you know? So let me look for this rag and then my microphone. I forget about my microphone. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that real quick. It's been an okay day for me. Only had like 1 job. I had 2, but they accidentally gave us the wrong material, so I didn't go. I'm gonna just go tomorrow and get the material. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up. Hold on, let me show you guys. All right, let me just wipe this all down. this and this. You can tell the people that had the truck before me really didn't care. Why? Because this doesn't have a screw. Over there doesn't have a screw either, and they just placed it like right here on that. They did have one screw right here, but come on guys, you know. Well, that's why I did say I want to start social media and do a project truck, right? So now I got to fix everything, and I'm pretty sure I got to fix this too. Why? Because look how it moves, and plus whenever it is on, it only comes out through here and not anywhere else. So that's probably something in the future that I have to fix. And also this as well, because this doesn't charge. This one doesn't charge, that one doesn't charge. But I feel like they didn't even charge it or connect it. But a lot of people are saying check the fuses. I'm not sure if it's going to be the fuses or they didn't just wire it, you know. It could be both. But to be safe, I'm going to check the fuses first, and then probably check the wiring. I know a lot of people say test it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Hold up. Got a notification. Hold up. But yeah, let me go ahead and take this out and let me see what's up with it. So hopefully this fixed the problem. So yeah, but pretty much the only reason I'm switching it out, because whenever I go like this, nothing happens. Like nothing happens. Like in order for me to turn on the lights, these lights only come on. They're only on right now because of the time. They're like censored. So even if I play with it, nothing happens. Nothing happens at all. So that's why I ordered that, so I can replace that. So whenever I'm driving in the day, I can just fix it. Because if not, then I just be covering that up with a little sock or something. All right, so I found this stain. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here and see if it comes out. Hold on, let me set y'all down real quick. All right, let me check. Something like this. Well, it's not even hard enough to be real. Hold up. All right, there we go. Now we're gonna have to play with it. Up. Yup. There we go. All right, so that's the wire we take out. Hold up, let me do a TikTok video real quick. Show you guys how to talk to these boys. But this is the video so far. Yo, what's good guys? I received something in the mail today for the Cateye, and let's check out what it is. It is inside this box. I still gotta edit it though. And show you guys what I ordered. This truck is filthy. Yo, chat, update. I took it out. Now I just gotta replace that. So yeah, and I'm vlogging. So little how to do it. So yeah, I'm finna do that. Yo, what's good guys? I received something in the mail today. That, and then save the drafts, and then now. This the new one, so let me take that one out and plug this one back in. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that real quick. All right, I don't know if you guys can see me well. I hope my camera does not fall, seriously. Now I'm gonna be upset. But let's do this. Ooh. Yup. Old and new. Don't mind the dogs barking. Let me go ahead and. Oh yes, sir. Oh, we back in the game. Let me go ahead and record it real quick. All right, guys, this is the new update. New and old, ugly. But now I feel like I look, gotta buy this new because this is black, that isn't. And yeah, so let me go ahead and try it. All right, let me go ahead and turn it on. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm back in the game, guys. Look. World. All right, look. Oh, let me. This was holding my camera, but look. You see that? You see that? You can see the reflection. Look. All right, bet. Yes, sir. So this is no good. Luckily it wasn't the wiring, it was just this. So yeah, so now as you can see, I am a certified mechanic. So if you ever need something in the Raleigh area, 919-910, hit me up. Ain't nothing slight, little 5-minute little, man, this ain't nothing to me. Look, but yeah, that's lit. Hold up, let me go ahead and do this real quick. Look, hold up, let me go ahead and turn it on real quick. Well, not turn it on, but oh yeah, it's like that. Let me see. Hold up. Let me see what that one does. All right, it's those little ones. All right, let me check. Oh. Yeah, Lego. Let's go. All right, guys. So because pretty much basically before I changed it, the old one, when I would be driving in the daytime and I would like try to switch it, nothing would happen. I'm like, yo, like, is it the headlights? Is it the wiring? Like, what is it? I don't know. Then I'm in a TikTok post and a lot of people were saying it's that little dimmer thing. So gladly, I have TikTok mechanics that support me, and yeah, they help me out with that. But right now, I'm gonna show you what I want to change too. I want to change this, I want to change that, and these. I want to change those to LED because that looks really terrible right now. Really, like, seriously. So yeah. All right, so now that I did that and everything works, finally this was the issue. Now let me put everything back on because I have the truck on, but not on all the way, and I don't even have gas in this truck. So let me go ahead and put that back on, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. Dang, I look dark, chat. But anyways, let me go ahead and put that all the way down. Hold on, let me mess with this. Dang, hold up, chat. Hold up. Dang, chat. Look terrible, but let's go ahead and replace this. Oh. All right. Oh, I thought the camera was about to fall. But yeah, should be it, chat. Should be it. Everything is good now. So yup, thank the Lord. Thank the Lord I have TikTok mechanics. So yup, look at that. Final output. So yeah, next thing will be this because my phone does not charge. I have to carry my MacBook with me everywhere so I can charge it. So yeah, maybe in another video I'm gonna check that out. But right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and replace. I'm gonna put this sticker on the OBS. So yeah, nothing too crazy. I mean, we just my dad needed to renew it. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that real quick. Yeah, gonna be right here. Damn, I look dark, bro. I really do. Go ahead and do I take the other one out? I'll just replace it over. It don't even matter. All right, now we're straight. Now I'll put this on in his truck. So let me go ahead and open that. Go ahead and open that. Hold up. Damn. You know what? I'm gonna just leave it right here. Does it say anything? Say anything? But this is my dad's OBS. I know y'all gonna be like, oh my gosh, his dad has a lot of trucks. Yeah, he does. And this is mine. For the people that don't know, I don't think I've shown this truck. Well, yeah, my recent video I just did. This is my truck. That's his truck. That's his truck. That's my truck. That white GMC is his, and that Ranger is mine. Let me go ahead and show y'all real quick. That's his GMC. That's my Ranger. And like following me, update with me. Let me show you guys what's up with Nova, because I know y'all was saying for a Nova update. So yeah, let me go. This is his new trailer, but let me show you guys. So my dad started building something new for them. This is diesel. That's Nova, of course. But that fence used to be right here. But he made some guys come and put it over there. He's gonna cut those trees down. And this is gonna be the dog's new house. So all this is gonna be taken down. That's gonna be new. And he's gonna put all the trailers back here, since he has 3 trailers. So he's gonna put trailers over here, and he wants me to start parking my work truck over here, so over there it don't look like a mess. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys the room we got over here. He wants me to park my work truck right here and all that. And once I fix the leak on the Cateye, then I'm gonna park inside the garage. A lot of people were saying it was the rear main seal or something like that. But yeah, so far everything's pretty chill. I think this was in here. Oh yeah, this used to be right here. That fence used to be right here. But yeah, let me go ahead and go back over there. So guys, I am dropping the truck pretty soon, but I think I'm gonna have to cut that pipe. Why? Well, the exhaust. Why? Because every time I'm at home and I go through the bump at my mom's house, it always scrapes. So I'm gonna have to probably do a little dump so I can be lower. I do want to go on a 5.7 on this truck. So I'm gonna have to do that pretty soon. Shout out to the person that made me some banners on Instagram and for YouTube and all that. Appreciate that. When I get my Titan window, I'm gonna put it in the back So yeah, but right now, Takis forgot, but they also made him one. So I'm gonna go ahead and surprise him with one. Hold up. Hurry up, come over here. What Papi say?
Huh?
What Papi say?
He said something about the goal.
Oh, all right. Here, come here, hurry up. Look, that's yours.
Yo.
You like it?
Yeah. I know where I'm putting this.
Where are you putting it?
On my dirt bike.
All right. I think they sent you one more, but I don't think I brought it. I think I left it at just Sean's house. Maybe, I'm not too sure. But yeah. You happy?
Yeah.
Say thank you. Hold it up and say thank you.
Thank you.
I forgot his name. I would tell you to say his name, but I forgot his name. So, but yeah. But yeah, guys, I have to make a video about this truck. I want to tell y'all everything about it, what I don't like, this and this, blah, blah. Don't mind that tear. I'm going to need some SS head things, headrest things. But yeah, I love this truck. I love the interior. Obviously, on my GMC, I don't have this type of interior. I have cloth seats. This one has leather. Pretty good. And I love this armrest. I really do. I love it. But besides that, this is a pretty amazing truck. It is tuned. It has short tube headers. It don't have long tube headers. I should get some though. Let me go ahead and pop the hood. But yeah, this is my project truck, like I said in my last video. So that's why I started social media. But yeah, let me go ahead and open it up for you guys. Hold on. Oh, let me go ahead and put y'all guys down. Where's the Oh, I didn't even know it did that. I thought I had to do a little thing. But yeah, this is a 5.3. Got short tubes right there. Got that intake. That's what it is. So that's what it's looking like. I look good?
Yeah.
That'll be the end of this vlog. It was just something slight just to fix that. I wanted to show you guys, like, you know, like, I know on TikTok it'd be a 1 minute video, but I wanted to show you like the whole process of it. It wasn't nothing too crazy. Just fix the headlights, that was it. So now I can turn it off whenever I want, because on the old ones obviously it didn't do that. This probably burnt out or something. I'm not too sure. I'm not an electrician or anything, but now you know I'm a certified mechanic. But me and my homeboy, come here, Takis. Me and my little bro finna play ball. I'm finna show him what's up. Bought him those cleats. But yeah, I'm about to train him because he's about to be better than Messi, Ronaldo, and who's that other dude you like from PSG? Mbappe, right?
Mbappe?
Yeah. But you remember you used to say that?
Oh,
Mbappe?
yeah. Mbappe.
That man funny. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Hope you like and enjoyed this one. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Let me go ahead and park it over there though. Cause it drops oil, and I don't know if it dropped oil right now. So yeah, it left a little stain. Dang, I hate that so much. But let me go ahead and park it over here. One thing I don't like about this truck, it struggles to come up. Like, it wants to start burning out every time. I don't know why, but oh, and that's the thing, this truck is kind of way lower than the GMC, and it be hitting everything. So whenever I get this 5.7 drop, I gotta be way more careful. It sounds pretty good though. But yeah, those are chickens. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Well, this is my work truck too. This is my dad's. That's the other one that my dad got. Look, this pollen is crazy, man. Look at that. Look at that. But yeah, we finna ball up and see what's up. These are both of my trucks. Look at that. I do need some gas. Hold on, let it focus. I only have to check engine light because the last owner took off the cats. So yeah. And then look at that. That's another thing I need to fix. You see how that light only pops up and the rest don't? I'm gonna need to fix that. I'm gonna make another video on all the stuff I don't like about this truck. So yeah, look at this, guys. Look at that. Pretty dirty, pretty dirty. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and, oh my gosh, I just feel like we're pollen, man. Oh, let me just bring my cleats. Let me bring my cleats. I'm about to play soccer with Takis real quick. The busters. Go ahead and bring that soccer ball. So yeah, this is where we play at. Actually, right now, let me go change it to some shorts and show you guys a few shots. Let me go ahead and hit one real quick. Boom! Ooh! Ooh! With the camera. 2 hours later, I'm in the crib now and I'm live. I'm about to edit this video real quick. Chat, say what's up. We got chat right here.